Did you know that astronauts on the International Space Station see 16 sunrises and sunsets every day? Imagine living in a place where gravity doesn't exist and everything floats around you. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of life in zero gravity aboard the ISS. From floating while eating to exercising without touching the ground, it's a completely different way of living that will blow your mind. But zero gravity brings some unique challenges. Everyday activities we take for granted, like eating, sleeping, and even brushing your teeth, require a whole new approach. Astronauts have to adapt to these unusual conditions, which can be tricky and even a bit funny. So, how do astronauts manage in space? They use special containers and utensils to keep food from floating away, strap themselves into sleeping bags to stay put at night, and exercise daily to keep their muscles strong, since there's no gravity to work against. Even something as simple as washing up involves no rinse soap and a lot of creativity. The most surprising part? Even using the restroom requires a unique design to handle the lack of gravity. It's an entire system just to manage these basic needs, showing how carefully space life has to be planned. So, life on the ISS is far more than floating around. It's a true test of human adaptability and clever solutions for life without gravity. If you found these insights into zero-gravity living interesting, check out my other videos on space exploration, and leave a comment below with what you'd like to know about life on the ISS.